like to play you some of the president's remarks that he made tonight about testing at a political rally and ask you to respond on the other side. Let's listen.
You know, testing is a double-edged sword. Here's the bad part. When you do testing to that extent, you're going to find more people. You're going to find more cases. So I said to my people, slow the testing down, please. They test and they test. We got tests that people don't know what's going on. We got tests. We got another one over here.
So did he just mean to confess, Dr. Patel, to slowing down testing? I mean, there is a lot of reporting from Jonathan Lemire and others that there were serious problems with rolling out tests to this country. Was he suggesting that that was a strategy there? The quote is, quote, "I said slow the testing down," end quote.
Yeah, and by the way, that's not just something the president said. That's been kind of reverberated through Health and Human Services and other agencies that perhaps we don't need as much testing. We're doing about 500,000 tests a day, and maybe that's good enough. Well, just a little bit of statistics and something to explain to people. Just doing more tests does not necessarily mean that you are going to find, quote, unnecessary infections and that you should slow it down. In fact, actually, what we're seeing in the United States is the opposite of what we're seeing in other countries that do way more testing, and they found fewer percentage of cases overall. We, in fact, unfortunately, especially in Oklahoma, Florida, and half of the country, we're doing probably the same number of tests, and we're still finding a higher degree of cases. So the math doesn't work. And unfortunately, this is just another example of failure from the top and leadership all the way through.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.